You're short on time, you're short on ingredients, you don't know what to make, you want something fast, easy, delicious, impressive. 3 ingredients scones. All you need is some heavy cream, self-rising flour, some vanilla sugar, and if you want to spice it up, check out my 3 ingredient roasted strawberry jam recipe. The 2 together are out of this world. Let's start. Okay, so first, add the flour. Next, add my vanilla sugar. In case you don't have vanilla sugar, or you can get vanilla sugar at your local supermarket for some reason, you can just drizzle some vanilla extract over your regular sugar, and that's the same thing. Okay, give this a mix. Okay, so just give it a good stir, and we're almost done. So now I'm just gonna drizzle in my heavy cream, and that's it, guys. Like I said, 3 ingredients scones. So just little by little, I'm gonna drizzle in my heavy cream. So I usually just add half of it and give it a good stir just until it comes together. So obviously I'm gonna need a little more, but I'm gonna start slow. And so just don't forget, you're gonna have to keep adding heavy cream until it gets to the right consistency, until it comes together and you get a little bit of a sticky dough, but not too crazy. So you may need more than a cup, but let's just start with a cup for this recipe, okay? So it looks like I'm gonna need more, definitely. So I will drizzle in almost all of it. Give it another stir. And you really just have to eyeball this, really just have to see, you know, for it to start coming together. You may not need a cup even. So I still have some dry flour at the bottom. So it looks like I may need a little bit more. So I think I'm just gonna dump this in. We're almost done. Can you believe this? I don't even think there is any cake recipe faster than this. And again, you can serve it alongside my wonderful 3 ingredient roasted strawberry jam. Okay, so now I am just going to put it on a baking sheet, and we are going to press this down to be about 1 inch thick, okay? So let me just grab my baking sheet. And I'm just gonna flatten it with my fingers, and we're gonna cut it. So now, let's press it down. Into a round shape, just like so. And now I'm going to cut it into 6 pieces. And the way I go about it is, I'm gonna cut it in half. Okay, I'm gonna cut it in half like this. And I'm gonna cut it in half one more time, and you got the 6 pieces. See how easy this was? Oops. So now I'm just gonna pull it apart real quick. Carefully, not too crazy. Like so. Okay, and one more. Okay, so let's brush it with some heavy cream. So you can be pretty generous about this. You can just brush them with a good amount of heavy cream. Don't be shy. This is just gonna make it that much better, actually. So keep brushing it till it gets into the little. And at the end, I'm gonna sprinkle it with some vanilla sugar on top, and I'm gonna put it in the freezer for 15 minutes, okay? So let's just grab your little vanilla sugar. This doesn't have to be vanilla sugar, by the way. You can just use regular sugar, but vanilla sugar is just that much tastier. It's gonna give it a wonderful crust, wonderful taste, and a color, wonderful color. Okay, so now I'm done, and at this stage, into the freezer. See you in 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna set my oven to 425 while the scones are in the freezer, and see you afterwards. So while these delicious scones are baking in the oven, this is the perfect time for you to like and subscribe. If you want anything fast, easy, delicious, and impressive, you need to subscribe. Thanks. So there you have it, guys. Quick, easy, delicious, and impressive scones. And if you thought that this was easy, head over to this video and check it out. This is just as easy, quick and delicious, and impressive.